Hello everyone, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. In the previous session, we studied chapter number 4 up to the topic mirror games question number 1. Now we are moving ahead with the question number 2. Question number 2, Venki has made a red and white shape. This red and white shape. Make a line on the white box as shown here. On the white box, where you keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. So children, this is also one part of mirror game. This is second question of the same topic, mirror game. So here also we have to do the same as we have done in the previous question number 1 here. So let's start. So first one is already done. Here one line is drawn in this first box. This is first box, this is second, third, 4 and 5. So 5 boxes are given, and in the first box the line is drawn to get this picture that is next to it. That means if we draw a line here, this is left part and this is right part. So right part will be hidden and left part will be seen. So we can see this picture here and we will get this picture in the mirror. So children, this line is called line of symmetry. So first you should look at this final picture and guess where the line of symmetry should be made on the original shape in the white box. Children, this is original shape and this is final shape which we want to get. So first you should guess where the line of symmetry, this is called line of symmetry, should be made on this shape to get this final shape. So we can draw a line here to get this shape. If you put a mirror here, you will get this image. And then second one, then see, here also you should draw a line here to get this final picture. This is line of symmetry. So if you keep a mirror here, you will get this final picture. That means this left part will be hidden and this right part will be seen, and here left part will be seen and right part will be hidden. And now D1, we should make the line of symmetry here to get this final picture. So if you keep the mirror here, you can see this final image in the mirror. And here children, you make a line here to get this final picture. So this right part will be hidden and left part will be seen. If you keep mirror here, you will get this image. Now topic is half a turn. But before starting this topic, let me explain what is half a turn. So here I am drawing one rectangle. Now I am giving number to the sides. 1, this 2, 3 and 4. And now if I will give half a turn to this rectangle, means moving from 1 to 2, means it will move 180 degree. So it will look like that. See here. So when I will give half a turn to this rectangle, it will remain same, but the number will be changed. Here 2 will go up and 1 will come down, and 3 will go right and 4 will go left. So this will be changed. Now it will be more clear for you. Here is story given and topic is half a turn. Once there was a king. He was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. The locker looked like this. The locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. As I have explained to you, that half a turn means giving this handle from here to here, half a turn. Another half turn and the locker would be locked again. If we give other half a turn, the locker will be locked again. The king would often leave the locker open, thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? Why this happen? Because here the locker look same in the open and lock position. Because if we move this handle from here to here, yellow will go up and this yellow will come down. That it will look the same in open and close both the position. So the answer of this question is locker looks same in open and lock both position. Hence the king often gets confused and cannot tell if it is locked or open. Now let's move on to the next page. One day his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Can you guess what the idea was? Yes, here given the idea. The king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. So here the king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. So when it is locked, this dot will come down here, and when it is open, the dot will be upside, means on the top. So the king's daughter put a dot on one of the yellow blades on the lock. This help in knowing. So this dot help in knowing the position of lock by the position of the dot. The king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if on giving them half a turn he can get confused with these two. So these are the lockers with different handles. Now what will you do to solve the problem for each of these? Here king can get confused on giving handle half a turn. We can put a dot on one blade of each handle. Here 4 handles are there, so we can put a dot on one of the handles. So the king will not get confused to know whether the locker is open or locked. So let's put a dot in one blade of each handle. We can put a dot on one blade of each handle. So the king will not get confused to know whether the locker is open or locked. Now next topic is same after half turn. Guess which of the shapes below would look the same after half a turn. So if we give this, will it look same? Yes, it will look the same. Then this rectangle, if we give half turn, that means moving here to here, will it look the same? Yes. This, yes. Circle also will remain same after giving half a turn. This will also remain the same. Triangle after half a turn, it will not look same because it will look like this. So it will change, it will not remain the same. So it would not look the same. This, what is this? How many sides are there? 6 sides are there. So this is hexagon. So will it look same after giving half a turn? Yes, it will look the same. And now pentagon, because it has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is called pentagon. Will it look the same after giving a half a turn? Half a turn means moving on 180 degree. So this will not look same because this part will come down and this will go up. After giving half a turn, it will look like this. So here wrong. Do you find it difficult to tell? If yes, then there is a way to check your guess. Here is how you can do it. So children, before this activity which you have done, this first you should guess, then check your answer. How to check? That is given here. Take any of the shapes. Take any of the shape, triangle, rectangle, any of the shape, pentagon, hexagon. Then trace its outline on a sheet of paper. Then trace it. Then now keep the shape on its outline and give it a half turn. So the shape which you have taken, give a half turn. If it fits its outline, that means it will look the same on half a turn. Otherwise it will not look the same after giving half a turn. Children, as a part of your homework, write the solution of the question which you can draw easily in your notebook. Otherwise, write them in your textbook or do them in your textbook. Thank you.